Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion databases, manage projects and tasks step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your email address associated with your Notion account. Click the Continue button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Notion. Open that email and click on the login link provided. If you haven't created an account yet, click on Sign Up instead. Follow the prompts to create a new account using your email or another sign-in method. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. To access databases, click on the sidebar on the left side of the screen. If your sidebar isn't visible, hover over the left edge to reveal it. Locate the database you want to manage from the list of pages. If you don't see your database, use the search bar at the top of the sidebar. Type the name of the database in the search bar and select it from the results. After selecting your database, you will see its contents displayed on the right. To add a new task or project, click the plus new button at the top right of the database. Fill out the required fields for your new entry. For existing tasks or projects, simply click on the entry to open it. Edit details, change statuses, or add comments as needed. To filter or sort your entries, use the options available at the top of the database. You can create custom views by clicking on Add a View and selecting your preferences. Remember to save any changes you make within the database. Once you're done managing your projects and tasks, simply log out or close the browser. That's how you log into Notion databases and manage your tasks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.